Hello everyone. In this video, you will learn how to check where your emails are gonna land in your user's mailbox. And it's super important to know where your emails are landing before you send your email marketing campaigns. You need to know if your email will land in promotions or in inbox or in spam or whatever. So how to know this? Let's see in this lecture. So today in this video, I want to share with you a very important hack before you launch your email marketing campaigns or even before you start your cold emailing. So as you can see here in my Gmail account, we have the primary tab over here. We have the social tab and we have the promotion tab as well, right? And probably you also know we have a spam folder over here, right? So before you send your email, you need to know where it's landing, because if your email is not landing in the primary folder over here, your user will not get a notification of your email. And as an email sender, you will lose your reputation in the eyes of your email providers or even in the eyes of your users as well. So now, for example, if your email is in the promotion tab or in the social tab, it's also in the inbox, but it will be marked as a promotion, right? So the user needs to go to this tab to see your email and so on. So it's very important, especially if you're just starting out and if you're warming up your IP address with a new SMTP server, or if you're just getting started with your cold emailing. It's truly important to ensure that your email is landing in the primary inbox, right? So the user can actually see your email as soon as he opens his email box. The concept is super simple. So how to do this? It's super easy. So what you have to do is just open a new tab and just search for gmas.co. So now under products menu, you can see here a free tool, inbox spam or promotion. Just open the tool. You can see here it gives you a lot of emails to send email to, right? So what you have to do is just simply select all those recipients and just copy their email address. I'm gonna click on compose to send a new email. And in case if you're using a marketing tool like MailChimp, MailerLite or whatever, you can just send the message from the software or from your own SMTP server as well. But in this video, for now, I'm using a simple message in Gmail. So what you have to do is in the recipients, just paste all the recipients over here. It's super simple. Nextly, just add the subject and the body text. So what I will do is, let's say I'm promoting a digital marketing course. So I will just mention the subject as maybe digital marketing course at 90% off. That's fine. And for body, let's say I will just add a dummy text over here. Now just simply click on send to send all those messages. So now as you could see, my message is sent. So now what I will do is I will just go back to the tool over here and I will just refresh the page and I will just search for my email address. So as you can see here, I got all the results over here. And as you could see, my emails are all in the primary inbox. As you can see, it's all green here, primary inbox. So this is the way how you can actually check whether your emails are going to land in your users primary inbox or spam or promotions or whatever. And it's very important to test this before you send any emails, as I told you, especially in the stage where you are warming up your IP address, or even if you are just getting started in your cold emailing journey. This is super important concept. So anyway, that's the tip of this day. And please be sure to test this on your side to check whether your email is landing in the inbox or in spam before you send your email marketing campaign. And this will surely help you to understand and predict how your emails will work in Gmail before you send them. And this will also give you the picture on how your emails will act in other providers like MailChimp, MailerLite, and so on. Because if it passed the spam folder of Gmail and landed in inbox, it has a high potential to land in inbox also on other providers like Outlook and so on. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any question related to this, please feel free to leave them in the comments below, and I will definitely try my best to help you out. So thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.